camera quad. So I'm gonna cut some wood here. The body's 9 inches long by 4.5. The legs are 4 inches long, are the landing gear. The motor arms are 7 inches long. Okay. We have 4 motor arms, 7 inches long. The body is 9 by 4.5 and 4 inches on the landing gear. Make sure they're all pushed in, all the way in. .9/64 bit. Make sure the motor arm lugs are in the position you want them in, and they're all the same, or however you choose for them to go. Make sure it's pushed in all the way into the adjustable head. Again, make sure they're pushed all the way in. What we're doing whenever we drill these holes is there's a hole that's not drilled in the bottom of the motor arm lug, and we're drilling that at the same time that we're drilling all the others. Again, make sure it's where you want it. Push this in all the way, the arm. Hold it down together. We'll clean these out. And that's just getting the wood, and if there's, when we drill that bottom hole, there's going to be a little bit of the reinforced nylon that the drill was drilling through that it needs to clean out on. And we'll do the same thing onto the motor arms. Now we will nut goes in at the bottom. There's a receptor for it. And we'll make sure and put the washer on to the screw. You get extras, so if you damage one of them, or after a while, if switching them, you might need to replace it. I'm running these arms 60 degrees back. This is a 9-inch. This is the 4.5 inch. And I'm running 60 degrees back, 30 degrees this way. Okay, we're back. Had to get some screws. was 8-inch bit. I'm going to 16-inch bit. I'm going to use 8-inch bit. Just go just apply. Keep it from splitting. Screws. Had to get some screws. 3/8 screws. Actually 5/8 screws. Eighth-inch bit again. Our 16th-inch bit. And then the 1/8 bit to go just through the ply, just to keep it from splitting, and a 5/8 screw. A 16th-inch bit. Eighth-inch bit just through the ply. Finish tightening them up by hand. Eighth-inch bit. This is going to screw in the landing gear, so we're drilling a hole about 3/8 of an inch up here. About 3/8 of an inch up here. We're going to do this on all four. Again, about 3/8 of an inch up. Sixteenth-inch bit. Make sure these are pushed in all the way. Again, 16th-inch bit. And we're drilling a pilot hole through the wood. Make sure they're pushed up all the way. Again, make sure they're pushed up all the way. Sixteenth-inch bit pilot hole into the wood. 1/8 inch drill bit into the center. Now I'm going to need some more 5/8 screws, but we're going to drill into the center here. And that holds true to all 4 of them. And these are your motor mounts. We'll put them on. And just put them flush. /16 inch bit for a pilot hole again into the wood. The top deck is 6x6, and we'll cut that. Actually, we'll give you 6x6, and actually it's 5.5. About 5 3/4. If you were building this from a kit that we furnish, the wood would have already been cut. You would have had to trim the pan and the deck. Very minor trimming, but you would have to trim it. But if you're building your quad from a design of your own, or your tri from a design of your own, and you're just purchasing the lugs from us, then this is how you would go about it, and this is just how easy it is. This is the camera quad, and thanks very much, and subscribe.